Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually harvest Beehive. So there is one way to actually do it, which is just the one that I will show you right now, which is just going, for example, let's open our world. Oh my god, I created a hardcore mode. Oh shit. Okay, so just like so, we can go in, and from here we can get some bees. For those who doesn't know where you can get bees, it's basically in the biome of flowers, the biome that got a lot of flowers and this kind of the oak log trees. It is where you can actually find the bees. So let's try to find the bee nest and something like that. And after you spawn a little bit of bees around it, and you give them a little bit of time and some seeds also. So not seeds, actually flour. Okay, let's give them this flour. Let's give you flour. Let's give you flour. And what you have to do is wait for them until they go inside. And as you can see, it is empty by now, but after they go inside and start making their thing inside of this, it will be full. And after that, what you have to do basically is just make a scissor using iron and let's find for it. So it is named cheers in Minecraft. So what you have to do basically, when they are yellow in here, once in here and here, you can just right click on this thing, and by the end they will give you the thing which is behave. So again, I will like tell you again what to do, which is just go in here, wait for bees to make their thing inside of it. Like if it is empty, just wait for your bees to go inside of it, and then you have to right click it, and yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.